We just finished 1 year on YouTube.
Hey guys, it's Izzy and MJ from Endless RVing, the channel that brings you the best in RV DIYs, product reviews, RV tours, and so much more. If you're new to the channel, we invite you to subscribe below and make sure to hit that notification bell. And if you're back for another video, we thank you for joining us.
And make sure to stay to the end because we're going to tell you, can we keep doing this?
So let's get into a little bit of Endless RVing history. When was this channel established? It was June 28th, right? 29th, 2019. First video was a review of the Greenworks electric pressure washer. If you haven't had the opportunity to watch it, we will link it above. It is really bad, but it's got like over 15,000 views now,
Go
right?
easy on us.
So go figure. Anyway, it was launched very much like this channel. The reason was to help other people, right? So we did an unboxing and a review, and the rest is history.
And this was Izzy.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start with what we like, all right? Now, there's a lot. So number one is the ability to connect with and meet people. We've met tons of people, subscribers, other creators, so many different people through our travels at the RV shows and, you know, not quite face to face, but also on YouTube. It's been fabulous. We've just met so many really nice and genuine people out there, and we thank you for that. The next thing is learning from the community. So look, we were all beginners at some point. We have learned a huge amount of information from just talking and live streams and connecting with people on the road. So that's really, really been a perk to this as well.
Yeah, even when we put up our videos in the comment section, we've learned quite a few things in the comment section. So thank you everybody who watches and does leave the comments.
Yeah,
It's really useful.
Yeah. Love the comments, so keep those coming. Also, we learned a lot about creating, just filming and editing. Again, if you watch our earlier videos, they were really bad. Now look, we've got so much to learn, but we've definitely improved on things, and it's been a fun journey learning about all these different areas of creation. So we've really enjoyed that.
And we've actually, shout out to subscribers who have given us pointers. We've had some subscribers that have actual experience, right, in making film and whatever, and have pointed us in a direction to help improve our video, I guess, editing and video production.
The next thing is getting to review and try cool new products. So we've gotten a lot of different products to try from different companies. So that's kind of a perk, right? And some of them we like, some we don't. We're always honest with them, but that's been fun as well.
Any companies out there, if you want to send us swag, you want to send us equipment, if it's RV related, more than likely we'll take it and we'll do a review on it. So,
and a very honest review.
Yes.
We always tell people that it's going to be honest. Seeing the channel grow has been another perk. So we, at this time of filming, we're around 8,500 subscribers or so, and continuing to grow. And again, we thank you for that. Without you, we wouldn't be going anywhere. It's to see the fruition of hard work. It's really cool. And again, we're tiny in the grand scheme of things, but just to see your work pay off, it's really, really cool and exciting for us. Last thing, but the most important thing is, again, why we started the channel is to help people. And that was the main goal of this channel when we started, and it continues to be that goal. Is we want to help people, especially newer people, learn about the art of RVing and things like that. So for us, that will continue to be our focus.
Okay, so not everything is unicorns and rainbows, right? So number two is going to be what we don't like about being YouTube creators. It's really time consuming, right? There is no doubt about it that being a YouTube creator is very time consuming, especially for us. We both have full-time jobs, we have a teenage son, and we still like to travel. So really on our part-time in between doing house maintenance, life chores, we are shooting videos, right? We live and breathe YouTube and social media and everything that goes along with it. And it is really time consuming. So anybody that's thinking about becoming a creator, we encourage you to become a creator because then you understand what it's all about.
Right, even on vacation, when we were in Tennessee, we were filming, we were editing. It doesn't stop. We don't take off because we're on vacation. So it is a part of our life, again, because we do enjoy it, but it can be draining.
So the second thing we don't enjoy, and we're honest on this channel, there are a lot of people that appreciate our work, especially creators, because they know how much work it is. There are some people that live in their basement of their parents' house that feel their sole goal in life is to criticize others because of the lack of whatever they have not accomplished in their lives. For us, at times that could be frustrating, right? Because you have certain people that they like attention because maybe their mommy didn't give it to them, and they will put on comments and weird comments and troll comments. And it's just annoying, right?
It doesn't matter if Izzy wears his hat backwards or he wears sunglasses because of an eye issue.
Right.
It's okay.
It's okay.
You'll live.
But the good thing that comes with that is that the more criticism you get, the more hate you get. That means you are kind of poking a bear, and you're doing something right because you're getting that person's attention. And believe it or not, those critical comments actually help you in YouTube also, right? They like to see, so just keep leaving the comments. It's all good. We'll keep putting out the videos. You keep criticizing, and we're all good.
So to those of you that leave good comments and constructive criticism, but in a way that's respectful, we really do appreciate that, and we continue to ask you to do that for us. All right, number 3 is some things that we have learned. We've learned a lot in all different areas. Number 1, you can't please everyone, and this is something that we're learning every day. Our goal is, and what we always strive to, is to be ourselves. If you like it, great. If you don't like it, great. That's fine. There's millions of other channels, but that is definitely something that we have learned, is you cannot please everyone.
Also, we have found for our channel, the best way to grow is to provide service. We consistently see this on the views on videos we do. The DIYs, the walkthroughs, they always seem to do the best whenever we're providing some kind of information. For us, again, the original goal of this channel was to help others through information, and we continue to do that, and that will always be the core of our channel.
Another thing that we've learned are there are so many great people out there that we've learned a lot from, and we thank you. And again, a big part of this video, the goal is to thank you, because we would not be where we are unless you were watching and supporting and commenting and liking and hating and whatever you do. So we thank you so much for that. We have learned so much from you.
Okay, so the question is, can we keep doing this, right? We talked about how much work it is.
Hell no.
No. We will keep doing this, right? And this for a couple reasons, right? The channel's growing. It's growing quickly. We are very happy at the pace it's going. And we've met so many people out there, the ERV crew, the people who watch these videos constantly, the people who are always leaving the comments, we thank you. Even more so, the ERV insiders, right? We've established a special relationship with our insider membership. You guys are awesome. So we're absolutely going to continue this channel and hoping to expand it even more in the future. So with all that said, what are some of our future goals?
Definitely continue to grow and help people. The reason we started is the reason that we're going to continue, and we want to just grow and grow and grow. 100K, we got our sights on you. Hopefully by next year is our goal.
So yeah, with that being said, hopefully RV shows will come back within the next 5 years. And when they do come back, we do plan on doing meetups at shows, getting connections with vendors and really helping you guys maybe save a couple of bucks and get some really good product, just by making connections. We're really looking forward to expanding this channel and really reaching out to the RV community.
So in the comments below, tell us what you've liked this year about being with us. What would you like to see more of? What would you like to see less of? Anything that you'd like to share with us, put it below in the comments.
That's even including the basement dwellers. We welcome your comments. Also, if you know anybody who's looking to start a YouTube RV channel, you think this channel is worth something, whatever, feel free to share this video with them. To the left of us, we're going to put our RV DIYs as well as our RV essential upgrades. And for myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching on our 1-year anniversary, and we'll see you on the road.